I went from this to this, with some 2x4 and roof sheets. What I didn't want was another winter watching my barbecue stuff being ruined by the weather. So I built this shelter to keep everything dry, tidy and clean whilst being an attractive addition to the garden. The corner posts and tie beams were made in 2 sections so they could be carried easily and then put together once they were in position. Add support for the legs, screw it down, secure it all in place and then tighten it up. A quick sand to take the sharp edges off and remove any markings, and then it's on to adding some wood preserver as none of this was treated and I love this colour. Once that was dried, notch the joists, get them on, and now we're on to the roof. I went for the ONDULINE Classic, perfect for a job like this, lightweight so it's easy to carry and install. Couple of easy cuts, you overlap it and then you add the fancy screws so it doesn't leak. Add the verge pieces to tidy up the finish, hang up some lighting, hang up your barbecue tools, and look at that. I am absolutely delighted.